So we don't come back like waiting how I don't drop her before me talk her. They don't understand when they say take care of yourself. We don't just say wear clothes and you need to smell good. You know, you get this deodorant today, they sell like 500 naira. Just mix them. If you want to spend 2.5, buy like 5. Just mix this smell.
Why go far? My Kanawa house, we have 10 naira. Pesa tirare 20 naira. You smell
okay,
for 5 weeks.
No, come. How that one too strong. That one they call it goma. Is not. They never mix that chemical. So if you drop one for your body, you're on your own.
No, even after wash am, you see the smell. What are you saying? Try am.
Peel off. No. But now for the clothes, they damp them for the clothes. I know that one.
No, I'm okay.
So what is your advice? Clean shave.
Darling.
Smell nice.
I mean, Nigerians, I don't know what your take is on this, but females, I noticed that a Nigerian female, they don't like to shave leg. But me, I like to shave leg. I like it to look salesy.
Yeah.
I like it to be very, you know.
So
my leg is very long. So when I'm walking like this, I feel like I mean,
look clean and look good.
yes, you gotta shave your legs, you know.
Your hands.
You know, your armpits gotta smell good. You gotta have perfume on. Your hair has to be on point. Your eyebrows, you gotta agit, you gotta be on fleek, even though I do not like that word, but you know, you have to take care of yourself as a woman. You have to be presentable at all times, 100%.
Brush your teeth well.
Hey,
yes.
The tongue.
Yes. Yeah, smells, let it smell nice.
Okay,
so
this is what they do now. They call it hygiene. Now just waiting it.
Yeah, hygiene. When we say appearance,
personal hygiene.
they're different. Okay, plait your hair time where you're supposed to remove the nets. Some no, they even go for manicure and pedicure. They go say no.
Oh my
me
God.
let's say they tickle me. If I put my leg inside that machine, they tickle me. Learn it.
Oh my goodness.
It's important. Not be say when you put leg for bed, you go drag the whole bed sheet. Come on. I don't understand. No.
It costs you nothing.
Yes.
It really doesn't.
You yourself, you do and soak your own leg for inside water. You know, find out what they call this thing now.
Scrub the
The
scrub.
scrub. We get different type. Get the stick type. If you know if you bend down, just use scrape and use Omo and water. Just
Omo, okay.
Yeah, say you know if you buy the main thing. Then you rub ororo. Use
Jenny.
Ori. Take rub under the leg, it goes soft. When it's soft, tomorrow do them again. Do them 1 week.
Don't be surprised if the man comes.
Suggestion. We I don't let miss you. Queen B. We go do this in body kajad. Right about now. I feel say we need to focus on that.
We're going to talk about
Yes, we need to. We don't go fit end. Hey, so we have Richard Nyade.
Okay.
Bawodni. Killing Sele. Yeah, blow really.
My work now. How's Lori?
Alright.
She come around while what you meaning?
Oh, hello,
I don't think they're going to laugh at that behind the scene.
Well, I hope you're watching.
We not say you two, they enjoy yourself for there. Now I don't reach that time, we'll go talk to Aduni proper. Make we hear what she carry come for us today. Aduni.
Yes, darling.
Hope say you enjoy yourself, all the talking.
I'm enjoying it, even though my pigeon has gay leg.
Yeah.
No, actually, the truck jammed the pigeon.
You understand? But
Yeah, but they leave the Yoruba on the road. The Yoruba see the road.
Yoruba, it's not going anywhere. It's right here.
Yeah. Amaka, you don't answer a question.
Yeah. We'll ask her how you find yourself for the. I don't say because definitely play your
Video,
but we need to know how you find yourself for this career where you did so. Because you say you just come 2013.
Okay. As far as acting, but in the entertainment industry, it has been 10 years, 2005.
Wow.
I started off as a model in America, you know.
But for Nigeria, you don't come to
Just 2013, no. Just 2013.
When you get on.
You understand? When God don't bless you, can nobody take that away?
So far as you come, how far the acceptance done,
My dear,
the movement?
you know, in every situation, there's always going to be that comma, that negativity, but I don't channel my mind to that. I just focus on the positive side, and I just work hard. If you like, don't like me. If you like me. That's a plus.
Yes.
But as long as I'm working and I'm getting that money, legit money. That's all that matters to me. But for the most part, the acceptance from others has been good. I'm that kind of person. I know they passed my boundary. I know they choke mouth inside something when no concern me.
Yes.
Because once you find my wala, you know,
you said
if it disrupt my sense of something, so me, I like to stay on my own jejely. I'm very friendly. I'm very playful, but
We don't see him.
thank you, but
and we enjoy your presence.
thank you, but me, I know they pass my boundaries. I just focus more on my work.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
So we don't say, since you did into acting, which kind of people you don't follow, act with?
Agbami. Said Balogun, Jide Kosoko,
Okay.
Richard Dominic, Joseph Benjamin, Alex Akubo, Ike Ogbona, Wole Ojo.
The list is endless.
You know, Desmond
But so far,
Elliott.
how many movies you don't act for?
41, 42, something like that.
41,
you-
42. So you still
you
keep
keep
count.
Again, I have one app like this. As soon as I hear the packer in my accounts when we're going on stage like this, I just write it on there. The title of the movie, the producer, and we save it there.
And the service that came inside.
My dear, no, forget that one. Now it's our accounts now. No, but me, I keep track. I like to keep track. At least let
That
me
one
know.
dey good,
Let me
yeah.
know what it is that I'm doing.
Who you want to act with? If you get
Exactly.
choice now, 4 in 1, Nigerian 2. Choose. Just give me 2 people. 1.
Man, no lie, Angelina Jolie.
Hey, for foreign scene, therefore
I like
for
your
African
choice. I like
Nigerian
your
season
choice.
call.
At one point in time, it used to be Rita Dominic, but I have worked with her.
And
twice.
how the experience so far?
I love her. I got her big sis. I love her.
She's the playful like you.
I love her.
More than you too. I don't
I love her. I love her. She's just wonderful. For a long time, when I would get that question everywhere I go, Rita Dominic.
No, she's very
But now I've
beautiful.
had the opportunity. So if it would be someone else, I call him my big brother. He was one of the people who actually spoke to me before I shook leg back inside Nigeria is Uncle Ramsey.
Yes. Where is Uncle Ramsey?
He's around though. Forget that thing. Uncle they walk. You just shook eyes out like this. Before you know it, you just see him in one film like that, one big film. But I love to work with him. I love to work with Genevieve and Omotola.
Okay.
I have not had the opportunity to work with them.
That one will come.
Amen. No.
Yeah, so you come.
Amen.
You come.
It will happen. I share to go there.
Me? Let me talk here. All right, make we entertain you small so that you go understand what we talk about Adoni today. Make we play you one of our skits where she don't draw for us to enjoy, mentation for us to enjoy. All right, make we play them.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.